Hey everyone, my name is Roshan Sharma and I'm a student of Bennett University. Today I'm going to tell you about API development using Falcon. Using Falcon. So first things first, let's understand what is API. What is the meaning of word API? API stands for Application Program Interface, which is a software intermediary that allow two applications to talk to each other. For example, if you're using an app like Facebook, Instagram, when you're sending messages or when you check weather on your phone, you're using an API. Let's understand with this a small example. Suppose I'm having a restaurant. There you came and you sit on the chair. Then you call waiter. Waiter will come and he will take your order. Then he will place that order to chef. Then chef will cook. Waiter will take your order from chef and give it to you. After taking your order, you will reply like whether it was good or bad. So here clearly we can see that the role of API is similar to waiter. It's taking response from user, then it gives to server, then it takes response from server and give to user. Here we can see that API is basically helping two application to talk. Now let's understand why do we need API. API are needed to bring application together in order to perform a design function built around sharing data and executing predefined processes. They work as a middleman, allowing developers to build new programmatic interaction between various application people and business on a daily basis. Now let's understand how API actually work, how the interaction between two applications or two websites are happening. Let's take an example. Suppose I want to book a ticket from Delhi to Mumbai, and for that I am using Paytm. So I will open Paytm application, I will go flight booking section, and then I will fill all the credentials, and when I will hit the enter button, API will hit the endpoint using API key. And each application have a unique API key. API key is very important because it will tell the server that okay, this application want to fetch this detail. So that's why the role of API key comes here. Then after hitting the endpoint, my seat will be booked. And let's suppose another user want to book the ticket in the same flight. So how we can avoid the collision between two seats? For example, I am having a seat of 17A and someone else also got the 17A. So this must be avoided. So for that we actually required API. What it will do, for that unique API key, it will hit the endpoint and it will book ticket for me. Then it will tell the server that okay, 17A is taken by me. Now you don't give to somebody else. And if a person wants to book another seat, then he will get another seat. And if he is using another application also, then also he will get the another seat. Why? Because the API key are different for each applications. Now moving forward, let's understand the types of API. First one is open APIs. They are also known as public APIs. Why? Because there are no restrictions to access these type of APIs because they are publicly available. For example, the weather data, the data on Google. These are open platform, and whenever you want to fetch some data, you just go, just click that link, you just click that website, and you will get all the data in a row. You don't have, you don't need to have a specific key for that. It's just open source, and whenever you want to feel, you want to take, you can take that application, you can take that data from there, and you can utilize it for yourself. Then moving to the second one, we have partner APIs. A developer needs specific right or license in order to this type of API because they are not available to the public. There are few things which actually person wants to keep it with themselves or just want to share it with some specific people. So these type of APIs are called partner APIs. Now let's understand the third type, which is internal APIs. also known as private APIs. So only internal system exposed to this API are able to use these internal APIs. These are usually designed for internal use within a company. Let's suppose I'm having a company and there are different departments, and I just want that the data should be transferred and shared between these two departments. So in that case I'll use internal APIs. So the company uses this type of APIs among the different internal teams to able to improve the product and the services. Now let's go to the fourth part and the last type of API, that is composite API. This type of API combines different data and service APIs. It's a sequence of tasks that run synchronously as a result of the execution and are not requests of a task. Its main uses are to speed up the process, execution and improve the performance of the listener in the web interface. Now we know what is API and how does it work. Now let's understand what is Falcon and how does it work and what are the advantages of Falcon over Flask and other API development tools. Falcon is like a Flask, a lightweight micro framework written in Python for building API and app backends. But unlike Flask, the main focus of Falcon is on REST APIs through as it's not suitable for serving HTML pages at all. It has a clear design that embraces HTTP and REST architecture style. Why should we use Falcon? So here are few advantages of Falcon by which we can say that okay, Falcon is good for API development. So it is simple, fast and very powerful. HTTP resources are defined as classes with class method being used for different REST operation on these resources. This helps to maintain a clear code base. It's quite extensible. That means easily extended to cover just about any use case. Since it is based on WSGI, the Pythonic standard for web page, so it works with Python 2.6, 2.7 and 3.3 version. And if you need more performance, run it using PyPy. Since every coin has two phases, here also along with lots of advantages, we have few disadvantages also. It's not easily syncable and also have limited out of the box features. Why should we use Falcon as a tool to develop API? Why not Flask or any other API development tool? So the answer is pretty simple. Falcon is developed to support demanding needs of large-scale microservice and responsive app backends. Falcon complement more general Python libraries, Python web framework by providing extra performance, reliability, and flexibility wherever you need. Here are few links by which you will understand API development using Falcon in a better way. Also, you can install Falcon and other tools in your personal computer, in your laptop, and you can work upon it. That's all for this video. I hope you had learned something and thanks a lot for watching. Thank you.